Welcome everyone for NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones. We're going to see what's going on within this daily close today. And very important signal, I'm going to talk about it. Are we reversing to the towards the upside for NASDAQ? I would say, yeah, I'm very doubtful. I'm still, of course, in bearish probability, and I'm going to explain. Despite that, you looked at some green candles pushing higher. It's nothing yet, guys. So basically what we're looking here as a 1-2 and a potential wave 3, 4, and a 5 is starting to get closer to reality. Why? The most important signal that I want to show you here is the diagonal. We were looking for a diagonal, right? A, B, and a C. Now this diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Interesting signal is taking the fib level from the wave 1 to the wave 2 and taking a wave 3 here as diagonal. Wave 3 is longer than the wave 1. We took the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, guys, which is not allowed, signaling a bear flag there. It's a large bear flag. It's nothing bullish. It's a large bear flag. Of course, we're going to retrace. Definitely, we're going to retrace. But basically, this is not looking as something bullish yet. And I'm still looking for something lower. What does this mean? From diagonal. So we were looking for a diagonal here, 4 and a 5, of course, as priority always, because it is less aggressive until we get the signal that we just got to make a transition to an impulse rather than a diagonal here. So this transition is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish potential wave 3 there, meaning if this is playing your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, we're going to hit even lower than our first testing area. However, we're going to take it step by step. Until that time, currently, all what I want is a 1.618 to reach, of course, the red area here, which is anyway in confluence with our red box as a potential wave 2. Okay, if that is the case, if we see something really rebounding toward the upside, right, then we might be bullish from there. But currently, I see a massive drop coming in. So we got to be careful, especially after a very long, exhausting range here. We might start to accelerate, guys. The panic mode might start. So now on the 15-minute chart, if we dive inside it, we can see, of course, this is an impulse. But basically, if you want to explain what is going on here, so basically we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're looking for a wave 5 finished over there, right? So this is our wave 5, our wave 3 in magenta as well, finishing as diagonal. And having our wave 4 here, A, B, and a C, wave 4, that's great. Now you start your wave 5 in magenta, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, this is a 3 waves. First, red flag. Why? Because anyway, you are looking at 3 waves. But what I see here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished, and A, B, and a C here. Sorry. And a C. So basically, this is your expanding flat there, A, B, and a C, and we might continue the drop. That's why I don't see yet something very bullish, honestly. Even if this is a 3 waves, let's say this is a 3 waves up, right? Even as an expanding flat, whatever it's gonna be. So A, B, and a C. Let's say this 3 waves gives you a hint here that something corrective still, which is red flag. And we're going to push impulsively. Let's say ABC, guys. This is still bearish, meaning we're looking for something for lower again. And this is going to bring us, of course, for a potential massive drop after it, because this is going to be like kind of a double 1-2 even. Can be a finished 1-2, another 1-2 here. And because we are looking at something large as correction, can be something even much more stronger. Well, yes, can be, guys. So we gotta be careful. If we take a look at a little bit here on MACD signals as well, we can see, of course, that the bear momentum here was very strong, right? We got a very strong drop here. Now, currently, you try to build up a bullish momentum, but it was directly interrupted again with the wave B expanding flat here. That means, of course, the bulls will try again with the wave C as an expanding flat, but yeah, they might fail a very, very big failure, especially 15-minute chart here. You are looking as well here at the bullish momentum trying to build up. Bearish cross again coming in, meaning some weaknesses, but it might survive, of course, because this plays as a support area here, and we might continue to push toward the upside, but I'm still looking at this as a wave C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we might drop down back again. Now, the most important signal is this for our chart, guys, where the momentum for the bears is still building up. Your MACD and signal lines are still open in the lower part. And that means, of course, a lot of pressure for bearish is still coming in. We're not done yet. A very, very weak signal for the bulls also over there. Yep, so this is regarding NASDAQ, guys. So let's see SPX. For SPX as well, we're looking for a pump here, which is very interesting. That is still holding on the potential 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we have a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially still can be unfolding here as a diagonal, 4 and a 5. There you go. If that is the case, well, okay. It can be your ABC there. So A, B, and a C, which I'm wondering why it is happening here. Because if we are corrective, that means we are in a diagonal. Why we need an expanding, like an expanding flat here? Otherwise, you have to take it as an ABC, and that means, of course, this is A, B, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You're still looking for lower then. No signal of strength yet, so I don't trust it so much. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna put it at least A, B, and a C unfinished. All right. But in case that we take the low, don't forget, of course, we're still looking for this triangle invalidation to confirm something bearish, meaning the momentum for the SPX is still there. Yeah, you didn't take the low. You're still in a formation for a diagonal, but the weakness is horrible, right? Over there. So whether we push for higher or just take the low, I mean, just give us a final decision, right? We need a final decision. Now, it can be an A, B, and a C, guys. The wave C is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then pushing for higher. Okay, can be, yes. So we'll see. We'll see. If we take a look also on the MACD, maybe it gives us a little bit more insights. Basically, momentum is for both case scenario. Bullish and bearish is horrible, right? I mean, we can see it clearly, right? And the bullish and the bearish momentum are reducing or decreasing here, meaning the market is dying there. And you maybe know why, because tomorrow, look what do we have tomorrow, right? Is the Fed interest rate. And this is, of course, a huge reason that the market is on sleep right now and until the decision. And that's why we're asking, come on, give us a decision, because the decision is going to be given tomorrow, all right? It's tomorrow with the Fed rate decision. We're going to get also the decision for the market direction. So this is the most important thing. Yeah, for the bearish here, also 15-minute chart, we have a bearish cross. But do you think can we push for something bullish from such a wave? I doubt it so much. Anyways, this is a 3 waves, 3 waves, 3 waves. That's horrible, right? So yeah, we still need, of course, to be patient here for something to be much more clearer. But Dow Jones is incredibly bullish, right? This is exactly what I'm looking for. I was bullish on it. Despite everything, I see Dow Jones, of course, pushing toward the upside, as I mentioned. I don't see any weaknesses there. ABC finished. We push for higher, guys. Meaning the next target currently for Dow Jones is a 1.61853K, $708, guys. We're looking for a large 1, 2, and a wave 3 here. Sorry, wave 3, and then 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, continuation toward the upside, guys. So yeah, that was for the stock market indices, the daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before a YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins for stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.